English in motion. The joy of a bike ride. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving into a simple yet refreshing English phrase that's bound to add a spark to your vocabulary: bike ride. Whether you're a beginner or advanced in English, understanding such phrases enriches your conversational skills. So, let's pedal our way through the meaning, usage, and nuances of this exciting phrase. Stay tuned to ride along with English. A bike ride refers to the action or activity of riding a bicycle. It's a compound noun that combines bike, a shortened form of bicycle, and ride, to sit on and control the movement of. However, there's more to it than meets the eye. Let's dissect it. Bike is not just a vehicle with two wheels. It's a symbol of health, eco-friendliness, and leisure. Ride suggests movement, journey, and sometimes adventure. When we put them together, bike ride becomes an activity full of potential and excitement. To fully grasp the phrase, let's see it in action. Casual use. I went for a bike ride in the park. It was so relaxing. How about a bike ride along the beach tomorrow? Formal use. The city is organizing a communal bike ride to promote environmental awareness. Our community offers guided bike rides for tourists to explore the countryside. Bike ride can also extend beyond its literal meaning to evoke certain feelings or cultural ideas. Freedom and joy. A bike ride can symbolize freedom, as bikes often give people the ability to go where they want, when they want. Sustainability. Talking about a bike ride might also reflect one's commitment to a sustainable lifestyle, since biking is an eco-friendly mode of transportation. We hope this ride through the phrase, bike ride, has been as delightful for you as it is for us to share it. Remember, each new phrase you learn is like adding another destination to your language journey. Keep practicing, stay curious, and until our next adventure, happy learning.